You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this given name, female, feminine, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced and pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. It's a different form of the name Anne or Anna or Anastasia, but it's a bit more of a French spelling of it. It's quite commonly in French that you have IE at the end of feminine given names like this. Annie, the origin is Hebrew, meaning grace. Annie, yes, in French it's not an I pronounced as I, but E, okay? The E is silent at the end. So it's not Annie, it's not an I, Annie. Simply Annie is how it's said in French, or similarly in English, the pronunciation Annie. And now you know. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.